juban sia juban rupa wa pengkrang lo yes nyao yong na Chithi oh Chithi Chithi oh Chithi
oh Chithi oh Chithi oh Chithi. Even DJ One Channel is now dancing for that. I thought this guy doesn't know how to dance. Oh Chithi oh Chithi. Hello guys, hello Meghalaya, kumno belong, paralog means friends.
Friends.
Yeah, in Khasi. Okay, so we are back again, so welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Subi. And I think you guys know where I'm from.
Yeah, next time she don't need to tell her name.
Yeah.
She's Subi from Nepal, and she has been with us, supporting our channel, guys. From Nepal, and Gabs from Africa, you already know it. So today we are going to check one music reaction by the title
Chithi.
Chithi.
Is Chithi later? Is meaning of Chithi later?
In Nepal, is it later?
Chithi.
In Nepal? Okay. Let us know, guys. Maybe it is a similar word between Khasi and Nepali word, guys. We are checking it out. And don't forget, subscribe, stay tuned. Let's go.
So the CMR shopping mall Simon.
Chithi video by Daniel Pierre Gatpo.
Kipor wada kismi wada lai duhai yuluti hai purhat khuslai yo sarang adu hai dom ilano sabnen wom boy sakanda wom jo amit walang apawan temoki.
This guy, I forgot his name, guys. I know him very well. DJ One Channel. Yeah, this is DJ One Channel.
Yo china agi ni wachit wachit Chithi jingle man one hanga hagi chkur over one rakna agi juban sia juban rupa wa ben krang non yes nyao yong na Chithi oh Chithi Chithi oh Chithi Chithi oh Chithi Chithi oh Chithi.
Like Khasi. Khasi tea.
Daki Kyntien Ksiar ki wo ne rata Rồi daki hau not walum yonga Wan raki aka kubor wabha Wapen Meghalaya jingin yonga Chithi jingle man wan hanga.
This music involves so many stars. I can see so many stars.
Daki juban sia juban rupa Wapen krang lo yes nyao yonga Chithi oh Chithi oh Chithi
oh Chithi oh Chithi oh Chithi. Even DJ One Channel is now dancing for that. I thought this guy doesn't know how to dance. Oh Chithi oh Chithi. does it mean by Khachiti? Is he cheating or what? Oh, don't cheaty. Don't cheat. Oh, don't cheat. Tell him, don't cheaty. Khachiti. Khachiti. Can you dance like that? You can't dance like that,
I
right?
can.
You can't.
I can.
Really? Dance now. Dance.
Why would I?
Dance.
Huh?
How good are you in dancing? Rate yourself. In dancing.
7.5 out of 10.
7.5. Oh my god. Then you're the best then.
No, not the best.
7.5 is best. You're
Just
supposed
average.
7.5.
Just like I can manage how to dance.
7.5. You're supposed to be dancing in Chris Brown music video like that. Yes.
Maybe I didn't get a chance.
Then you can dance.
If I get chance, who knows?
Okay. Wow. Then next time you will show them their talent. Okay. Yeah. Guys, go and watch our Gali Jado. You will see if she's a good dancer. We have
No,
we
don't
have
see
Gali.
that.
We have
Don't
Gali.
see that.
We have
It was
Gali
so
Jado
hard.
music cover with her, guys. She was dancing there. Go and see if she's and rate her there.
Don't know.
You said 7.5.
That's not me. That's not me.
Why you are saying don't see that?
I was acting according to the character.
The character.
That's not me.
You can't do the character good.
Means it was not me. It was that I was acting like that actress, not me.
Okay.
That's not me. Please.
Okay, guys. Anyway,
That
the
dance-
music video
don't
was
tell me why that dance. I did that.
the
I did
music
so
video
hard.
was good. Okay, let's speak about the music video, the Khachiti music video. Yeah, it was really nice, guys. And I saw a lot of people and a lot of star musician, also dancers, and it was really amazing. It's looking also colorful, right? Oh, you feel like to
Neon
talk.
green.
You feel like to talk, huh? Chill.
What should I say?
What should you say? What did you watch?
I watched Chiti.
How is that?
I guess Chiti is later, but I don't know. By looking at the video, I don't think Chiti means later
Okay.
because it's not a love song. It's like friendship song like that.
Okay, anyway, guys, subtitle wasn't there, but the beat was good and the energy of the people in this music was really amazing. And yeah, I just like reacting to Khasi song, whether it is English or no English subtitle. So I am here for you guys, and as long as DJ One Chan is here, also, he's one of the best DJ out in the city. I know much about him, and I love his music also, guys. So thank you so much. Make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, and tell us the meaning of Khachiti, guys, because
Subscribe to my channel.
yeah, subscribe this channel, guys. Subscribe, support us, and see you soon. Thank you.